Boldt HVAC is a trusted provider for furnace repair in St. Paul, Minnesota 55118, known for their expertise in diagnosing and resolving heating system issues across the Twin Cities metro area. Their skilled technicians offer reliable, energy-efficient solutions, backed by excellent customer service, transparent pricing, and financing options. Are you looking for a furnace repair in St. Paul, Minnesota 55118? You can stop looking, you found Boldt HVAC. How much does furnace repair cost in St. Paul, Minnesota 55118? The cost of furnace repair with Boldt HVAC in St. Paul, Minnesota 55118 depends on the complexity of the issue and required parts, but their pricing is competitive and transparent. Factors like the type of furnace and the extent of the repair can influence the overall cost. What are the common signs that my furnace needs repair? Signs that your furnace may need repair include strange noises, uneven heating, unusual odors, higher energy bills, or frequent cycling. Boldt HVAC can diagnose and fix these issues to restore your heating system's efficiency. What is the service area of Boldt HVAC? Boldt HVAC provides services at a variety of locations in Eagan, Minnesota, including Burnsville, Apple Valley, Eagan, Farmington, Inver Grove Heights, Lakeville, Mendota Heights, Prairie Lake, Rosemount, St. Paul, Savage, South St. Paul, West St. Paul, Hopkins, Eden Prairie, Shakopee, Edina, and Richfield. Where is Boldt HVAC located in St. Paul, Minnesota 55118? We are located at 860 Blue Gentian Road, Suite 200, Eagan, Minnesota 55121. Our phone number is 651-300-6145. Visit our website at www.bobvots.com.